knowing what to expect from your CBT day. First things, arriving nice and early, get there in good time and making sure you bring your documents. That is your driving license. When you arrive, be greeted by the instructors who will check documents and then take you out for an eyesight check. Now this eyesight check, all it involves is reading a standard number plate from 20 meters. You are allowed to wear contact lenses or glasses for this. From there, we'll get you upstairs. First of all, in the classroom where we go through safety equipment. Talking about helmets, jackets, everything you'll need to get out on the road. We'll then go up to a training area where we go through the actual bike itself, controls, the differences as well between the automatic and manuals depending on which bike you decide you want to use on the day, how they work and how they function. Once we've given you that sort of basic overview, there is a bit of maintenance involved, going through how the bikes work, how to keep your bike in good condition. You look after it, it's also going to look after you as well. Once we've done that, we'll go on to actually riding the bike. On a closed training area, what we do is we go through some exercises. And the first thing we do is actually get you to push it round. And the reason we do this, get you used to the brakes, because they can be quite sharp. Once we've done that, get you riding forwards, coming to a stop, using clutch if you're on a manual bike there, in preparation for riding around. We then get you doing more specific manoeuvres, things such as riding in a figure 8, getting used to the balance, getting used to slow speed, getting used to the turning. We then do U-turns, starting to get you used to now things that you might actually have to use in real life. Emergency stops are a big part of this as well. We don't like calling it an emergency stop as such. It is a controlled stop but using the maximum brake potential. We need to be confident that you can come to a stop nice and safely without crashing the bike. Once we've finished up on the training area, what we do is we go back to the classroom for a stop at lunch. Us instructors run on coffee. Once we move forwards, we get down to how to ride on the road. So things such as how to take a junction, what observations we need to be doing, looking at roundabouts, how they work, making sure you're prepped and ready for the road. After we've done this and everyone is happy and confident, we move on to a bit of highway code, a bit of a road briefing. The instructors will walk through with you how the radios are going to work, how it's going to go out on the road, what sort of things they expect. But ultimately, it's all about safety. Are you safe out on the road? Are you safe riding with traffic? Once we get out on the road, it's going to be a case of we start nice and easy. We go up into a quiet area where you can get used to the bike again, get used to being on the road around other traffic. And then once the instructor is confident that you are in control and the nerves have settled a little bit, because it can be nerve-wracking, we understand that. That road ride will be at least 2 hours. So we'll get out there. Don't worry, we're not going to be out riding the bike for 2 hours. We do stop, we have breaks, we have conversations, and your instructor will make sure that you are absolutely safe. And then all being well, take you back to the classroom where we'll write a certificate, hand it over, and you're free to go.